Our mission? To discover and share family-friendly places in New South Wales. Looking for a peaceful escape right in the heart of Sydney? Come with us to the Chinese Garden of Friendship at Darling Harbour. Entry is $12 for adults and $8 for kids under 12. And yes, there's a family pass available too. Just check their website for details. From the moment you walk in, you'll feel it, like stepping into another world. Calm, quiet, serene. We found a beautiful dragon wall with a wishing well below. Calie tossed a coin and made the cutest little wish. Then, we reached the heart of the garden. Just look at that view. The fish pond was Calie's favorite. She even took some photos herself. We explored more, from rare black bamboo to banana trees, and even had some pretend tea time. At the top of the garden sits the girl, the Clear View Pavilion. We couldn't resist snapping some photos here. Just before heading out, we discovered an incredible bonsai collection, each one a tiny masterpiece. The Chinese Garden of Friendship is truly one of a kind, a peaceful gem tucked in the city. We highly recommend visiting with your family.